Oh my God, it's fireworks. Fireworks. Good YouTube, it's your boy SS Blackie, back in with another video. We finna get some gas, and y'all see by the title, we finna go buy some what?
Hey guys, finna go buy some fireworks, finna go spark the block.
Ooh, not too much, nah, not too much. I'm put 20, 25 ball today. It usually be 20, but all company know it'll be 25. Let's get to it. So I started back up.
That sounds good on there.
Y'all see how she holding up the motherfucking left lane, man? Let me show you how you let me drive. About to hit this shit. Get your ass out the way, bro. It must be an old bitch driving that motherfucker. What the hell? Look at them on that damn phone, bitch. Woo, shit. Woo, yeehaw. Woo, shit. Mama, there goes that man. Come on, man. Yeah. I see that. Fireworks are right now.
Hey, you seen the video when they put on that beach shot, learn how to walk again? That fall. Yeah, walk on a turtle.
As I see, we just got to the fireworks stove. You know what I'm saying? We got
Fireworks
food.
Damn.
Come on, man. Hey, what we gonna get today?
Come on, man. Here's my favorite.
Yeah, real. Think she ain't in pussy. We be having good stuff right here. Yeah, shit like that be the one that shoot on the ground.
Y'all got subscribe.
Bow, bow. Making a video. Bow. You didn't know damn well know what you talking about. You see it. Oh, you see a light.
Nah, I'll be down. It's 30-some shot.
Yeah, see that shit be straight on God. I'm gonna go get it. Bake it. Get Barrick. We got so far. Oh damn. If you want to see what they do, you can take it to the screen. Yeah, this motherfucker got 25 shots. Monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Oh, you bought one too. They didn't do what they do. Dude, listen, look what that motherfucker do.
Shoot. You wanna do shit? They say, thank you,
It got a little pop.
Hey,
They got a little pop. How much they want for it though?
they got something better.
Yeah, nah, they can keep that shit there. Nah, don't even waste your money there. I got two. Oh, they want 160
Let's see
ball.
what they do. Let's see what they do.
They want 160 ball. They can keep that shit. I wonder what this motherfucker do. 16 shot. And they only want that. They only want $10. $11. Yeah, I mean, that's not for YouTube. That's what we got so far. You know what I'm saying? That's what we got so far. So, sure, stay tuned. Watch this reaction.
Oh, he said, look, he said, what the
Nigga
fuck?
scared of him.
That shit scared me, bro.
Nigga scared of him.
That's scared. Ugly. Oh.
Nigga ugly hell. Nigga look like a bug. Baloney sound.
He about to bite somebody. Baloney sound.
Nigga look like a baloney sound. Hit like that shit. That nigga see what he talking about. Hey, that bitch sound good, bro. That bitch sound good. Yeah, we get hello to the police car. Yeah. Hey, we just bought the ass of fireworks. I ain't even gonna lie.
$8.
You know what I'm saying? $8,000 worth of fireworks. Come on, man. 20,000. You gotta watch out for that motherfucking police car. I know they gonna be on the right. That just people fucking around in general. That shit don't make no sense. made it back. But that's what it looking like though. $300 box. So hopefully that's some big shit. And then we got some shits and bags. Type shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Some slight for the fourth. You know what I'm saying? Black and right here. You know what I'm saying? And hell yeah. Look. Show y'all something. Oh my God, we got the goddamn. You know, I got about 2 of these. I got like 2 of these. You know, these like cherry bomb. I'm gonna let y'all read this shit though. These. If y'all know what cherry bombs is, they like cherry bomb, but like more weaker, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? But hell yeah, y'all straight something though. The VC charger. Look at that bitch. That nigga scared. Move on me. That nigga scared. You down? Sit down. He down? Sit down. How's it going on?
I didn't know. Look,
On the road.
Oh, yeah, they.
Oh, yeah. Y'all my airball.
I'm gonna play 21, ain't it?
As y'all see, we. Oh,
Hops.
we in the
That was a good one. I'm sorry.
Damn. I thought that was your car, dead ass. But y'all see, we got cops. Well, they let them go. Or he just got to answer tickets. Alright. But y'all see, this video took a turn. The video took a turn for its own good. Who is this in front of us, bro? Oh God, they so deep. Oh my God, look at the copsies. The popsicles. They flash you again, bro.
I don't think.
Why you keep doing that?
Does he know me?
Okay guys, I'm in all the video right here. Make sure y'all got a like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the video coming out tomorrow of us shooting fireworks that we hadn't got. Peace.